Good morning. Today we are talking about using a graph or a table to help us solve our problems. And as we've always done with our story problems, we're going to start out with reading it and then underlining what we know and circling what we are trying to find out. Our story problem says, Kimmy buys a t-shirt. It has a stripe on each sleeve. It has 4 words and a picture on it. Which shirt did she buy? So we need to underline, we know that Kimmy bought a t-shirt. We know it has a stripe on each sleeve. And it has 4 words and a picture. What we're trying to find out, we're going to circle, which shirt did she buy? So we come down into our graph and we're going to fill that in. Shirt 1, you can see right here in the corner. Does it have a picture on it? No. Does it have words? It has 1 word. Does it have stripes? Yes. So there's shirt number 1. Shirt number 2. Shirt number 2, does it have a picture? Yes. Does it have 4 words? Let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Yes, it has 4 words. Does it have stripes? Yes. Shirt number 3. Does it have a picture? Yes. How many words? 1, 2. Does it have any stripes? No. So there is your table. You have to be able to answer yes to all 3 of those questions. It has a stripe on each sleeve. Let's look. Yes. It has 4 words. 4 words. And it has a picture on it. Yes. So our choice, the correct answer, is shirt number 2. Let's turn to the next page. And I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you guys which page to start on. Page number 516. And let's read our story problem, underline what we know, circle what we're trying to find out. A first grade class collects 11 cans. That's part of what we know. A second grade class collects 5 cans. That's also part of what we know, so we need to underline that. How many more cans did the first grade collect? So we need to circle what we're trying to find out. And as we've talked about story problems and subtraction and addition, the clue in this story problem, when it says how many more, that means we're going to subtract to find the answer. That's our secret word. So here's my table, grade 1, grade 2, and then how many cans they collected. I'm going to give you just a second to try to fill that in on your own. Let's look up here. First grade class collects 11 cans. You're going to put your answer right there next to 1. Number 2. Second grade class, and you look back up here, collects 5 cans. I'll give you a second to write that in. And then what do you think your number sentence is going to say? Let's check and see if you're right. If you put 11 here and 5 here, and then your subtraction number sentence was 11 minus 5 equals 6, then you are correct. Give yourself an air high five. And let's just take a look at the next problem. That's on page 517. Let me see if I can find a writing tool here. All this is new to me. Let's see. Oh, that works. Okay, so we have a table here, and it wants us to count the animals. They have labeled animals, and then how many. So let's start with the first one, which says chicken. Let's count how many chickens. Can you guys help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to put 8 chickens, and you guys are going to put 8 chickens in your book. Let's see. How many dogs are there? I'm looking around. You guys help me count. I only see 1 dog. So I'm going to put a 1 right here. And next we have cows. Let's count our cows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cows. Okay, now I have my table filled out. I'm going to come down here and answer my questions about my table. And here's that clue again. How many more cows are there than dogs? So when it's asking me how many more, the secret is to subtract. So how many more cows than dogs? So I'm going to look up here. I've got 4 cows. And I know I need to subtract because I'm looking at how many more cows than dogs. Do you guys know the answer to that? I'm hoping so. 3. If you got 3, you are correct. Now this question, you've really got to be reading your questions to see what they are asking. This question says, how many animals are there in all? When we hear that secret word in all, that's our clue. I'm going to give you a second to tell me what does in all mean. Okay, if you told me that in all means addition, you are correct. So it's asking us how many animals are there in all. You need to add 8 plus 1 plus 4. My writing tool doesn't want to write down there. It'll write up here, so let's do that. So we're going to do 8 plus 1 equals, I'm hoping you're all yelling out, 9. Okay. Now we've used the 8, now we've used the 1, so we need to do 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. I'm going to give you a second to think about that and write it down. 9 plus 4 is 13. So there are 13 animals in all. And your answer goes down here, but my writing tool isn't letting me write down there. So for the rest of the lesson, you guys need to finish up to page 520. That's the rest of the lesson and the homework page. And if you have any questions, See if a parent can help you, or if you need to email me about something, feel free to do that. I hope you're all doing well.